Pronoun is a word we use to stand in for a noun. It helps us talk and helps us say the same thing less times around. Instead of saying the boy again, we can say he, you see. Instead of saying the ball again, we can say it easily. Pronouns stand in, yes they do. They take the place of a noun for you. He, she, it, we, they, them. Pronouns make talking smooth and new. If I say the girl one more time, it sounds a bit the same. So I use she instead of that to help me change the name. If I say the kids again and again, I can say they instead. Pronouns help us talk with ease and say less words, that's what they're for. Pronouns stand in, yes they do. They take the place of a noun for you. He, she, it, we, they, them. Pronouns make talking smooth and new. When I talk about myself, I say I. When I talk to you, I say you. We means us together. They means more than two. Sometimes pronouns change their form, like me, him, her, and us. They still stand in for nouns. We know pronouns help all of us. Pronouns stand in, yes they do. They take the place of a noun for you. He, she, it, we, they, them. Pronouns make talking smooth and new. Pronouns stand in, yes they do. They make our sentences smooth and true. No repeat, no extra sound. Pronouns help us get around. A standing word, that's a pronoun.